In this third part on fuzzy numbers, we will discuss more problems on fuzzy numbers. We will discuss how to investigate whether a fuzzy set whose domain is a greatest integer function is a fuzzy number or not. This is interesting and I insist that the viewers should watch this. Hello friends, you are watching YouTube channel Number Collage. This channel features videos on mathematical concepts. Effort has been made to explore the concepts through basic mathematical ideas. Hope you will like my effort. You can even check playlist of this channel. Perhaps you might find videos that you are looking for. We have to verify whether following fuzzy set is a fuzzy number or not. A is grade of membership 0.2 upon its domain closed 0 open 1 plus grade of membership 0.6 upon closed 1 open 2 plus etc. plus grade of membership 0.1 upon its domain open 5 closed 6. The graph of this fuzzy set would look like this. Let us understand how we have plotted this graph. Grade of membership 0.2 has domain closed 0 open 1 closed 0 open 1. Grade of membership 0.6 has domain closed 1 open 2. Grade of membership 0.8 has domain closed 2 open 3 closed to open 3 etc. and grade of membership 0.1 has domain open 5 this one and closed 6 this one, and grade of membership 1 is for x equals 4. Here let us examine whether the three conditions required for a fuzzy set to become a fuzzy number is followed or not. The first condition among them is A. Membership grade for element 4 is 1, that is A of 4 is 1, which implies fuzzy set A is normal. Next we will find out alpha cuts for distinct grades of membership. But before that, let us recall one rule which we have studied in the series of fuzzy set part 1, that for a given fuzzy set, if membership grade alpha is less than or equal to beta, then beta cut A belongs to alpha cut A. By using this rule, we will find out alpha cuts for distinct membership grade. Accordingly, 1 cut A equals 4 for closed interval 4, 4 as given. 0.9 cut A will be from the domain of 0.9 here, closed interval 3, 4 because 1 cut A should belong to 0.9 cut A. 0.8 cut A will be from its domain here, closed interval 2, 4 because 0.9 cut A should belong to 0.8 cut A. 0.6 cut A from its domain here is closed interval 1 and 4 because 0.8 cut A should belong to 0.6 cut A. 0.5 cut A from its domain here is closed interval 1, 5 because 0.6 cut A should belong to 0.5 cut A. 0.2 cut A from its domain here is closed interval 0 and 5 because 0.5 cut A should belong to 0.2 cut A. And finally 0.1 cut A from its domain here should be closed interval 0, 6 because as per the above rule 0.2 cut A should belong to 0.1 cut A. So here we observe that and write the second condition B. Alpha cut A is a closed interval for each alpha belonging to interval open 0 closed 1. And finally we write the third condition here, C. Strong 0 cut A, that is support A is closed interval 0 to 6, which is bounded. We show it here, support A. Since all the three conditions are satisfied, we can conclude that this fuzzy set A is a fuzzy number. Let us solve one more example of this type. Fuzzy set A is given below. We have to investigate whether this fuzzy set A is a fuzzy number or not. A is grade of membership 0.1 upon its domain interval closed 0 open 1 plus grade of membership 0.2 upon its domain interval closed 1 open 2 plus etc. plus grade of membership 1 for x equals 6 plus grade of membership 0.5 upon its domain interval open 6 closed 7 etc. plus grade of membership 0.1 upon its interval open 9 closed 10. The graph of this fuzzy set would look somewhat like this. Let us understand how we have drawn this graph. For grade of membership 0.1, here domain is close 0 open 1 close 0 open 1. For grade of membership 0.2, here its domain is closed 1 open 2 etc. For grade of membership 1, here value of x is 6 here. So A of 6 is 1, implying fuzzy set A is normal, which satisfies the first condition A. For grade of membership 0.5, here its domain is open 6 closed 7 etc. And finally for grade of membership 0.1, here its interval is open 9 closed 10. For the second condition B, we will write alpha cuts for distinct values of grade of membership. So 0.9 cut A will be from its domain here closed interval 5 to 6, because according to the rule that we have studied in the previous example, 1 cut A should belong to 0.9 cut A. 0.8 cut A from its domain, this one is closed 4, 6, because 0.9 cut A should belong to 0.8 cut A. 0.7 cut A is from its domain here closed interval 3, 6, because 0.8 cut A should belong to 0.7 cut A. 0.6 cut A will be from its domain here closed interval 2, 6, because 0.7 cut A should belong to 0.6 cut A. 0.5 cut A from its domain, this one is closed interval 2, 7, because 0.6 cut A should belong to 0.5 cut A. 0.4 cut A is from its domain here closed interval 2, 8, because 0.5 cut A should belong to 0.4 cut A. 0.2 cut A from its domain, this one is closed interval 1, 8, because 0.4 cut A should belong to 0.2 cut A. Again 0.2 cut A from its domain, this one is closed interval 1, 9, because 0.2 cut A should belong to 0.2 cut A itself. 0.1 cut A is from its domain, this one is closed interval 0, 9, because 0.2 cut A should belong to 0.1 cut A. And finally, once again 0.1 cut A for its domain, this one is closed interval 0, 10, again because 0.1 cut A should belong to 0.1 cut A itself. Thus, alpha cut A is a closed interval for each alpha belonging to interval open 0 closed 1. Hence, the second condition is also satisfied. And thirdly, condition C, strong 0 cut A, which is support A is closed interval 0, 10 that we show here. Support A, this one, is bounded as required according to the third condition. Hence, we conclude here that this fuzzy set is a fuzzy number. Let us check whether fuzzy set A of x equals e raised to minus pi x square is a fuzzy number or not. The graph of this fuzzy set would look somewhat like this. This is graph of A of x equals e raised to minus pi x square. We can easily visualize that among the three conditions required for a fuzzy set to be a fuzzy number, the third condition, that support A, which is strong zero cut A, should be bounded, is not satisfied here because support A, this one, is unbounded from minus infinity to plus infinity, which implies that this fuzzy set A is not a fuzzy number. Viewers, if you like this video, please click the like button. Share this video with your friends and classmates. Subscribe to this channel. Post your constructive comments to make the videos better. You can even check playlist of this channel. Perhaps you might find videos that you are looking for. See you in the next video. Until then, keep watching Number Collage. Thank you.